Let me show you how to fix your iPhone if it doesn't ring for incoming calls. Now, if your friends or family are calling you, but it's not ringing to your iPhone, I'll show you how to get that fixed. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we're going to do is swipe down from the top right and just toggle airplane mode on. Wait for a few seconds and toggle it back off. What this will do is it will reconnect to your signal. You can see I have AT&T and I have 2 bars. You want to make sure you have at least 1 bar. After you've done that, if it still doesn't ring for you, the next thing that we're going to do is get to your settings. And on here, we need to make sure a few things are changed in your sounds and haptics. The first one is ringtones and alerts. Let's turn this all the way up so that you'll be able to hear it. It's very loud when someone calls. And then, of course, for ringtone, we need to make sure it has a ringtone on here and it's not set to no ringtone. Now, after we've done that, let's make sure the settings for your phone itself are set to ring and always announce when you're getting calls. So let's go to the phone settings and you can see here announce calls, and it's currently set to always. If it's set to never, it will never announce those calls. This is really helpful when your phone rings and someone calls you. So instead of headphones only or headphones in car, I would always switch this to always, and it will tell you when you get a call and it won't be silent. Now, going through all of these steps, we also want to go back to the very beginning of our settings and make sure this works just by going through the process of checking our eSIM. You can see I have AT&T, and if there's an issue with your eSIM, you can just refresh it by turning the eSIM off, waiting a few seconds, and turning it back on. You can see at the top right, those dots switch from no signal to all of a sudden getting signal again, indicating that that eSIM is now back up and running and working. Now, if you go through these steps and you're still running into issues with it not ringing, we want to check to make sure that you don't have a do not disturb or a focus mode turned on. So if you do have do not disturb turned on, you just need to turn that off so that you'll be able to get those phone calls when they're ringing to you. The last thing you can do is a hard reset on your phone. So let's hit the volume up, volume down, and press and hold that side button to force restart it. So volume up, volume down, and press and hold that side button. I'm going to continue to hold it even though it says slide to power off, and keep holding it even when the phone goes completely black. And then when I see the Apple logo here, that's when I will take my finger off. And this will do a force restart of your iPhone, always fixing tons of bugs and glitches. This should help you a lot.